In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online. Keeping a backup of your QuickBooks Online data is crucial for ensuring that your financial information is safe, secure, and retrievable in any eventuality. Whether you're looking to secure your data against unexpected data loss or prepare for a smooth data transition or audit, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently back up your QuickBooks Online data with ease. To start, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account and that your identity has been verified. Once you've done this, you'll want to head over to your account settings. This can be found by looking for a gear icon located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This icon is your gateway to various settings options, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice an option labeled Export Data. This is where the magic begins. Click on Export Data to move forward in the process. A list of data types will appear, showcasing all the information you can back up. This step is particularly important because it allows you to customize your backup according to your specific needs. Take a moment to consider what information is essential to your business operations and toggle the data you wish to include in your backup. After thoughtfully selecting the data you want to back up, it's time to export it into a format that can be easily stored and accessed. Fortunately, QuickBooks Online offers a handy Export to Excel function. Click on this choice to initiate the export. Excel is a versatile and widely accepted format for managing data, making it an excellent option for backing up your QuickBooks Online information. The data you've selected will be compiled into an organized Excel spreadsheet ready for safekeeping. As you go through this process, it's important to keep two things in mind. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions or potential data corruption. Secondly, once your data is exported to Excel, be sure to save the Excel file in a secure location. This could be on a secured external hard drive, in a cloud-based storage service, or using another trusted data backup solution. The primary goal here is that your data is not only stored securely, but is also easily retrievable whenever you might need it. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your QuickBooks Online data. This not only ensures that your financial information is secure, but also provides peace of mind, knowing that your data can be restored if the unexpected happens. It's a good practice to schedule regular backups as part of your routine financial management. By doing so, your backups will remain up to date, preparing you for any eventualities without the risk of losing critical financial data. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. You've taken an important step in securing your financial data with QuickBooks Online. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Now you have the tools and knowledge to keep your financial information safe and sound. Happy backing up. Thank you for watching.